Join us on an incredible journey to the heart of what makes you uniquely powerful. You didn't end up here by accident. In today's discussion, we explore a fascinating topic that often appears wrapped in mystery, the magic that lies within you. Consider this magic as something real and potent, pulsing inside you right now, ready to be released. Our goal is to understand how you can access and harness this powerful energy. Imagine not only transforming your life, but also having a significant impact on the world around you. This is what it means to truly grasp and control the magic within you. Stick with us as we uncover how ancient wisdom merges with modern science to illuminate the full scope of your abilities. Are you prepared to delve into the depths of your magical potential? Let's unravel the secrets of magic and energy together. The secrets of enchantment and vitality. When we think of magic, images of spell-casting witches and mysterious supernatural events often come to mind. Yet the true essence of magic is about using unseen forces to change reality to fit our wishes and purposes. What is known today as various types of energy, such as the pulsating waves of light and sound, was once considered magical by the ancients. This same energy drives the universe and infuses all living things with a crucial life force. Though it may sound like something from a fantasy, modern physics acknowledges it too. Today, some researchers suggest that practices like meditation, visualization, and yoga might be modern equivalents of ancient magical practices. These activities focus on harnessing the power of the mind and breath to shift energy patterns within the body, potentially influencing health and well-being. They propose that such techniques could allow individuals to tap into the quantum field in ways that resemble how ancient magicians engaged with energy. Thus, the boundary between ancient magic and modern science blurs as both seek to explore and utilize the profound connections between consciousness, energy, and the fabric of the universe. Physicists understand that beneath the tangible world lies a realm of energy fields and quivering subatomic particles at the quantum level, invisible to our simple senses. Historically, adept practitioners discovered ways to sense and control these elusive energies. They realized that we are not merely physical bodies, but entities made of light, sound, and vibrant energy. By learning to channel, balance, and intentionally guide this energy, they found they could profoundly influence their lives and the world at large. Therefore, magic is not as unscientific as it might seem. It's just an ancient term for what we now refer to as energy manipulation, manifestation, and the mastery of quantum fields through mind, breath, and focused intent. Magic was never about tricks or illusions, but about deep understanding and interaction with these concealed forces. Exploring ancient manuscripts. To truly understand the deep wisdom of ancient cultures, it's essential to go back to their foundational lessons. The sapphire texts, linked to the mysterious figure of Zorro or Hermes the Thrice Great, are a key example. These ancient writings expose the core essence of the universe, a singular wellspring of energy and consciousness from which everything originates. Zorro taught that within each individual lies a piece of this infinite energy. By connecting with this inner light through meditation, rituals, and deep contemplation, we tap into the universe's immense potential and realize our roles as its architects. His instructions help us manage our essential energies and mental powers, altering our perception and interaction with the world around us. This new perspective urges us to look beyond the tangible and connect with the dynamic energy of all that exists. Despite his intricate and esoteric language, Zorro delivers a clear directive. We need to awaken the dormant energy within to fully unlock our spiritual strengths. This awakening empowers us to mold our personal and collective realities. The teachings in the sapphire texts build upon earlier beliefs, suggesting that our true capacity and interconnectedness greatly exceed what our usual senses can detect. Activating these finer energetic qualities prepares us for personal and collective transformation, positioning us as deities in control of our environments. Zoro's guidelines prompt us to reevaluate our daily experiences. He compels us to shift from simply watching life to actively shaping it by mastering and refining our internal energies. By deeply engaging with these venerable teachings, we not only recover the practices of ancient masters, but also tailor them to solve modern problems, bringing age-old wisdom into current relevance. This ongoing engagement with the mystical links the past to the present, empowering us to shape a future where we live as enlightened beings, masters of our destiny and harmonized with universal forces. This evolution in thinking and practice signals the dawn of a new Enlightenment era, where old secrets lay the groundwork for future growth in both our personal lives and our shared societies. History and philosophy on inner magic. Magic centers on the mastery of unseen forces that envelop us. Delving into ancient lore handed down over millennia, we unearth how these formidable energies were understood and controlled well before the scientific era began. Instead of relying on scientific equations, ancient societies utilized their deep spiritual rituals to directly connect with these energies. Take, for instance, the ancient scripts of Vyasa, a foundational text in Vedic wisdom. It probes into the concept of prana, a critical energy that sustains all life, detailing the meridians and energy hubs within us that can be adjusted to better harness this essential power. Concurrently, the Shiva Samhita from the mystical lands of Kashmir offered 112 techniques of meditation meant to activate the Kundalini, a powerful latent force thought to rest at the spine's base, which can elevate an individual's consciousness to extraordinary levels. In the realm of ancient Egypt, the sapphire texts, attributed to the sage Jehuti or Hermes Trismegistus, discussed a pervasive energy matrix that underpins both life and matter. Jehuti was regarded as a master of these omnipotent forces. In the Eastern philosophies, the vital concept of qi, pivotal in Taoist thought, describes a life force that infuses every living creature and the natural world. Techniques like Tai Chi and acupuncture were devised to cultivate and modulate qi, enhancing longevity and health. These diverse, rich traditions from around the world, though articulated through distinct cultural idioms, unanimously acknowledge a critical truth. We are more than mere physical entities. We are vibrant beings charged with a unifying life force that is central to our essence and our expansive capabilities. By reconnecting with this ancestral knowledge, we transcend the materialistic outlook to tap into a deeper, energetic plane of existence. This transformation not only fosters personal growth, but also enables us to realize our true nature as beings of light and energy, capable of significant transformation. By revisiting and honoring these venerable teachings, we not only enhance our own health and well-being, but also contribute to the ecological and spiritual equilibrium of our planet. As we learn to synchronize our energies with those of the Earth and the cosmos, we foster a healthier, more balanced, and spiritually integrated world. Hence, the age-old knowledge of energy mastery isn't just a means to individual enlightenment, but also a force for global renewal and peace. Effective strategies for energy mastery. The ancient writings offer a treasure trove of knowledge about energy and our role in molding it. They pose an essential question: how can we tap into this natural power in our everyday lives? Fortunately, these age-old lessons provide numerous effective strategies to do just that. Before you jump into these practices, make sure to fully grasp their concepts and consider consulting experts. A fundamental practice is meditation focused on the heart. This process involves quieting the mind and syncing with the gentle energy of the heart chakra. Through regular practice, you'll start to perceive and intensify this inner glow. Further energy practices teach you to cultivate and manage this crucial force. A significant method from Taoist tradition involves using hands and breath to create an energy sphere, enabling you to control and dispatch this energy actively. Visualization plays a key role here, as it helps you directly interact with your energy, shaping you into both a creator and a conduit of this power. Ancient practices, such as those endorsed by Hermes, also emphasize the use of sacred geometry and rituals to forge protective barriers, energize objects, and influence other beings by channeling your concentrated intention through these ancient techniques. Moreover, mastering energy isn't complete without the art of pranayama or breath control. Practices like nadi shodhana or alternate nostril breathing are designed to harmonize your energy channels and foster a balanced yet vibrant state. These straightforward but deep techniques reinforce the idea that we are influential beings, capable of affecting the invisible forces around us. Dedicating yourself to these practices can bring about profound insights and a new perspective on life. Traveling on this path of energy mastery requires real enthusiasm and an open mind. These ancient methods are more than mere rituals. They are avenues to unlock vast potentials of personal power. Imagine the opportunities as you start accessing this energy source, feeling its significant effects on your consciousness and well-being. As you delve deeper and apply these teachings, anticipate discovering new layers of your capabilities, unveiling talents you were previously unaware of. This journey is not only about personal enhancement, but also about connecting with a universal energy that enriches every part of your existence. Enhanced techniques. Now that you've laid a strong foundation in the essentials of energy awareness and growth, you're ready to embrace more intricate methods that will enhance your innate magical skills. These techniques, rooted in the hushed wisdom of ancient cultures, will allow you to channel your energy with greater focus and intent. Pranayama, a yogic practice of breath control and regulation, stands out as especially powerful. You're familiar with how alternate nostril breathing can bring equilibrium, but by adding specific breathing patterns, holds, and visualizations, you can delve into more profound energetic changes. Techniques such as Bhastrika and Agni Pranayama are highly effective, quickening the flow and accumulation of prana, your vital life force, boosting your energy and mental sharpness. Visualizing remains a pivotal skill for mastering your energies in the modern age. You've touched on forming and projecting energy with light spheres, but ancient masters took this skill to mystic levels. They used depictions of deities, mythological icons, and yantra configurations as conduits to shape and guide their consciousness into exact energy flows. By combining controlled breathing, chanting of mantras, and focused visualization of specific divine or ethereal beings, it's believed you can tune into and embody the distinctive energies and powers of those entities. This rigorous practice lets you transform your energy signature, enabling you to unleash incredible abilities. As you progress and your energies intensify, it becomes essential to learn protective techniques to manage and secure your growing power. You'll explore advanced methods like the Ring of Power ritual and the Giza body ratios, which help confine your energy within a self-generated shield. These teachings are given as serious guidance to those committed to mastering their energies and consciously shaping their realities. Persisting in these practices will lead you to discover levels of power that surpass normal human experience. Integrating these techniques into your everyday life will not only elevate your consciousness, but also allow you to witness the real-world impacts of your spiritual practices. You'll see changes in how you interact with others, improvements in your health, and an overall enhancement in well-being, demonstrating the profound effects of aligning with the universe's mystical energies. As you continue on this path, you'll start to unlock abilities that challenge the conventional understanding of what's possible, redefining the essence of a magical life. This journey isn't just about personal transformation, but also about how these changes contribute to a larger scale. As you grow in power and understanding, your ability to influence the world around you expands. This isn't merely about personal gain, it's a path of responsibility where your enhanced capabilities can be used for greater good, promoting harmony and well-being in your community and beyond. Stay the course, and you will not only transform yourself but also become a beacon of change in the world. Living a magical life. After developing a robust understanding of both elementary and sophisticated energy manipulating techniques, you are prepared to embark on what could best be described as a magical existence. Achieving mastery involves more than just experiencing altered states. It requires the integration of these powerful concepts into your daily life. This process starts by aligning with the universal laws that govern the natural world. Ancient wisdom teaches about steadfast principles such as mentalism, correspondence, and rhythm, crucial for shaping your reality. By connecting with these principles through activities like studying astrological trends and natural cycles, you can live in harmony with the universe. Begin each day by establishing a sense of presence and gratitude. Spend moments to look inward, sense your own energy, and cherish the magic of the current moment. This builds a mutual relationship with the cosmos. From this grounded position, approach each day as a sacred ritual. See your living space as a sanctuary and your daily activities as services of a sacred nature. Regularly engaging with nature also reminds us of the energy that fuels life. Ancient philosophers taught that magic is essentially a distinct state of consciousness, a profound awareness that perceives all aspects of life as interconnected and teeming with potential. Regularly refreshing this mindset enhances your vibrational frequency, aligning you more deeply with your true energetic essence. You transition from being a mere observer to a potent force in this dynamic energy, turning your existence into a landscape where wonders are the norm. Throughout this path of energetic mastery, every interaction and task offers a chance to deepen this heightened awareness. As you maintain this elevated state of consciousness, your view of the world undergoes a significant transformation. You become not just an inhabitant of the world, but a creator within it. Life becomes a canvas, turning everyday occurrences into extraordinary events and uncovering the profound beauty in routine interactions and simple tasks. This reimagining of your everyday life goes beyond merely observing miracles. It involves crafting them. This represents the core of magical living, the ability to perceive and elevate the ordinary to the extraordinary, asserting your place in the universe as a creator of endless possibilities and creativity. Conclusion. In closing, let's recap what we've learned. Magic is authentic and dwells within you, manifesting as a potent force that drives change. We've linked age-old wisdom with modern scientific breakthroughs, learned to wield this formidable energy, and observed its profound impacts on our personal lives and the broader ecosystem. It's time for you to put these techniques to the test and discuss your experiences. Initiate a discussion here. Which new energy techniques are you looking forward to trying? To keep up with our magical adventures, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Spread the magic by sharing this video. The more it's shared, the more it grows. Thank you for being a part of this magical journey. Keep seeking.